I'm Aurora, and we've been doing a lot of pronunciation rules. And we've learned the double letters, the H rule, the C which sounds like K, and the C which sounds like Ch. Today we're gonna do the SK sound. When the letter S meets the letter C, we have to pronounce it SK. So there are two ways to write it. So if the S plus C is followed by the vowels A, O, or U, you write it the same, like this. And if the S plus the C are followed by the naughty vowels I and E, you have to add an H after the S plus C. So S plus C followed by H, and you have to add I or E depending on the word. For example, I, schiena, back, and E, scheda, card. So for the how you write it normally without the I and the E, it would be S plus C, and after you have to add A, like scala, O, scopa, broom, and U, scudo, shield. So today we learned scala, ladder, scopa, broom, scudo, shield, schiena, back, and scheda, card. I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!